Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your Chromebook is ready, signed into the profile you want to lock, and connected to Wi-Fi so settings save. Once done, click the system tray, then the gear icon, or use the launcher to open settings. You do this now because locking options live in account and security areas. Opening settings immediately gets you to the controls without extra navigation. Pay attention to your account name so you lock the right profile. Now dive into security sign-in settings and pick how you want the screen locked: a password, a PIN, or smart lock with your phone. You choose a PIN for speed or a password for stronger protection. Smart lock removes friction if you keep a trusted phone nearby. Next, set the idle delay and check require password on wake so the Chromebook locks after a short timeout. This combination balances convenience and security depending on your routine. Finish by locking the screen immediately with Search plus L or the lock option in the system tray to confirm behavior. You should test waking the device and entering your password, PIN, or using Smart Lock so you know it works under real conditions. If the screen doesn't lock or wake properly, reboot the Chromebook and revisit sign-in settings. Make sure updates applied and that your phone's Bluetooth is on for Smart Lock. That reboot usually clears lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.